Hello, Jagonian students.
My name is Drew from St. Joseph the Workers.
My name is Anne from St. Joseph the Worker. Our teacher assigned us to make an experiment. What experiment should we do?
Aha! I have an idea.
What is your idea, Drew?
Baking soda experiment. Things that we need is vinegar, baking soda, balloon, and funnel. How it works? When the baking soda and vinegar are mixed together, it creates a gas called carbon dioxide. The gas begins to expand in the bottle and starts to inflate the balloon. The more gas that is created, the larger the balloon will inflate. Let's do the experiment.
Don't forget to wear your personal protective equipment. We have to prepare our materials first.
Before we start, we have to play a game.
What? What game?
I just found it on web. This game is called Find the Missing Object.
That's great! So, let's play!
Okay, I will open it now. Your teacher assigned you to make an experiment related to chemistry. You will learn how to do an experiment about baking soda and vinegar by playing this game. Have fun and keep safe. Before performing an experiment, there are safety precautions that you need to remember first. Keep the home lab kit and the supplementary materials safely away from children. Wear approved eye protection at all times during your lab activities. Perform no unauthorized experiments. Select a safe site for lab activities in your home that is well ventilated and protected from spills, children, and pets. Use a work area such as your kitchen where there is a flat and stable working surface and access to water and various supplies. Never place any instrument or materials in your mouth. Find the materials needed first before proceeding to experiment.
First thing we need is a baking soda. Wow, great job! How about the vinegar? Can you see it? And now, the balloon. Next is we need an empty water bottle. Great job! And lastly, a funnel. Now, we're complete.
Well done! Now, you're ready to do the experiment.
We need baking soda, vinegar, empty water bottle, balloon, and a funnel. First step is to grab the water bottle and carefully pour the vinegar into the bottle. Now, let's go to the next step. The next step is to get the balloon and use the funnel to pour the baking soda. After that, carefully put the balloon into the tip of the bottle. Be careful. And now, you can see the balloon inflate because of the chemical reaction of vinegar and baking soda.
Good job! Now you're done experimenting. What you have learned about this experiment? You have learned that the science behind this experiment is that there is a chemical reaction between the baking soda and the acetic acid or the vinegar. When these two ingredients were mixed together, you can see that the balloon was inflating. It is because of the chemical reaction. The air that was produced inside the balloon is the CO2, or also known as the carbon dioxide. Thank you, God bless, and keep safe.